Hi, welcome to USA Phone's overview of conference calls and conference bridging. The Yealink phone allows for a three-way conference call. To make a conference call, start by dialing the extension or 10-digit phone number of the person you wish to reach.
Good afternoon, USA Phone. How may I help you?
Please hold while I conference you with Joanne. Once I have the first party on the line, I'm going to select the soft key labeled Conference. The first party is now hearing hold music. I'll now dial the extension or 10-digit phone number of the second party I would like in my conference, followed by the send key.
USA Phone, this is Joanne. How can I help you?
Once I have the second party on the line, I will once again select the conference soft key to connect all parties together. Hi, Joanne, are you there?
I'm here.
Hi, Pam, are you there?
I am.
We have now successfully completed a three-way conference call. Thank you.
Thank you.
In addition to conference calls, we also offer a conference bridge. A conference bridge will give you a dedicated phone number to access the bridge. A conference bridge allows for unlimited number of people on the bridge. You will receive a participant code. You will send this PIN to all participants joining your bridge. You will also receive a leader PIN. The leader PIN will only be used by the leader of the call to connect all parties. For more information on setting up a conference bridge, please feel free to reach us at 856-761-1000 or email us at support@usaphone.com.